Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to fix usable RAM in Windows. First, let's confirm your system's installed memory. Then, open the System Configuration utility by typing emsconfig into the Run dialog. Navigate to the Boot tab, select Advanced Options, and ensure the maximum memory box is unchecked. This simple step often resolves issues where not all RAM is recognized. Next, we'll delve into your computer's BIOS or UEFI settings. Restart your PC and press the designated key, often Delete or F2, to enter the setup. Look for a setting related to memory remapping, memory hole remapping, or a similar option. Enabling this feature allows your system to properly address all installed RAM, especially if you have more than 4 GB. Sometimes, outdated drivers can cause memory issues. Ensure your motherboard chipset drivers are up to date. You can also run the built-in Windows Memory Diagnostic tool to check for hardware faults. Furthermore, physically reseating your RAM modules can help. Power down your PC, remove the sticks, and then firmly reinsert them to ensure a good connection. Finally, let's consider some advanced points. For systems with more than 4 GB of RAM, a 64-bit operating system is essential for full utilization. If problems persist, try testing each RAM stick individually to identify any faulty modules. Always refer to your motherboard's manual for specific memory configurations and limitations, as this can provide valuable insights.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.